welcome back to the vlogs. Happy Nurses Week. It is Nurses Week. I've finished my work for the week, and so I'm actually headed to LA to help one of my best friends, Tiff, with wedding planning and stuff related to that. It's also AAPI Heritage Month, and so what better way than to spend it with your AAPI friends?
What friend of yours is not AAPI?
That's true. My 3 closest girlfriends are all part of the community, but it's just been a really busy month. I'm also simultaneously planning a pickleball girls' night for my community, aka my followers.
Am I invited?
It's a girls-only event, but Kevin will be the one exception because he is there to take photos, not to have fun. Right, babe?
Am I getting to eat the Pizza Hut?
Yes.
Are your parents coming?
Yes, my parents are coming.
So your dad and I?
Yeah, my dad's gonna help check people in.
What?
But it's an event I'm limiting it to 40 people. I think I'm gonna let 10 people off the... What? What the frick?
This is why I bought insurance.
So there are 40 people, but not everyone is gonna show up because that's just how things are. I was gonna let 50 girls know that they could come, and then hopefully it would be 40. My only issue is that I've also coordinated with a lot of vendors and brands to put together a goodie bag, and I only have 40 of those. So I want to be mindful of how many people show up. It sounds so simple. It sounds like a little event, but there's so much involved, like the decorations, the food, the drinks, people's dietary restrictions, all the pickleball paddles, like making sure that there are enough even for the girls who don't have pickleball paddles, outfits, the like lugging all of this physical stuff like from my parents' house all the way to the venue. And I also need to order a wagon and a cooler because it's just gonna be hot. But I'm really excited. It's my first time like hosting a big event. Yeah, I guess like this year I just really want to do a good job giving back, building community, and so for me that looks like hosting some in-person events and like getting to know everybody IRL. That's what we're allocating budget for this year. I'm very excited, very nervous, but also very excited. But first, let's go to LA. So Pete, my cutie Vejas, they are going on their first trip. I'm trialing them before taking them to Europe. Also didn't even realize that I booked my flight this way, but because Kevin is post-call, so he worked his very last junior call shift. Yay! So proud of you. That was his last primary call. After the call, he gets 8 hours of post-call, which is something that is relatively new in his program, but because he gets 8 hours off, he doesn't have to go to work until about 2 p.m. I have an 11 a.m. flight. Thank you for dropping me off. That's so kind of you. I told you I would just take an Uber.
You did?
Yep.
Okay. I'll drop you off right now on the side of the road.
Okay, what the is that if you are ever at SeaTac, you can do something called Spot Saver, where you book a appointment to do the TSA line, so you can skip the big line, because even the TSA pre is very, very long sometimes. So Spot Saver just basically ensures that you can arrive to the airport at the latest time. Hello friends, update. I'm currently at Tiff's place. We have some dress options that I express shipped to her house because they would not have even arrived on time. What should I do? Which one should I open? Which one's your favorite one? I honestly don't know. It's revolved. I don't even know if they're gonna fit me. Or this. This is my other option. Okay, so we were supposed to be there at what, 5? It's currently 5:10. Not us being ambitious and thinking that we were gonna be able to make it. So now we're just trying to make it before the doors close.
I think we're both going off of each other's like vibe. Because I think if I was rushing and was like, let's leave in 10 minutes, you could totally make it happen.
Yes.
And if you were like, no, I want to make it there at 5 to get our Getty images, then I would have also like left and rushed.
Honestly,
I think we're chilling.
I'm surprised you didn't text me and say like, we should just skip this one and go next time. Like, I'm shocked. No.
Did you want me to say that?
No. But I think if it were me, I think I would say something. So I'm glad that you didn't say something, because if I felt the slightest ounce of like uncertainty, I'd have been like, no, we're not going.
No, did you tell them what happened yet?
No, I haven't.
So my shark, my cat, died last night. We had to put her down after an emergency. And Miki was like super kind and was like, well, we can like totally cancel all of our plans
No, so you called me and I was like, okay, so like naturally we're canceling everything this week, right?
I was like, no, let's not cancel because I need to be distracted. So Miki is here to distract me.
And I was like, okay, valid. So that's why we decided that we were still going to go to the premiere.
Yes.
Hence why we are getting ready. And I was like, okay. We've been trying to convince the cat to come and cuddle with either of us.
It's also it's your first time.
I know it is my first time, but it's like it's not a big deal. Every time I'm in LA, we go to some event together, and every time we're like, should we go or should we just stay home? But every time we've gone, every time we go. I know. I never regret going. It's just like the act of getting ready is like a lot. Okay, we are heading to the premiere. We missed the entire carpet session, but we're gonna make it maybe. Okay, we are heading to the premiere for a TV show. It's actually a Disney show, so I'm very excited. Doctor Who. So I think we're watching 2 episodes and that ends up being about 50 minutes, and so that'll be fun. And then after that, there's a little after party. I wonder if we'll run into anyone that we know.
I hope so.
Maybe.
But I don't think so. It's always like the weirdest crowd when you go to a premiere.
Really?
Like, yeah. It's like actors and actresses and we're just like influencers and I feel like, oh, like, I'm just,
why am I here? But I'm excited. We have matching dresses where like our slits are on opposite sides and our shoulders are also on opposite sides. So I think the pictures
shoes.
Yes. And we have the same messy bun. I love this for us. Okay. We just arrived out here. It looks like we're still in the clear. So kindly took me as her +1. We're waiting in the little photo line.
I should have just gave them your name though, because you're cooler than me. And so
what? No, I'm like
so
happy to just be a +1.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives.
Hello friends, good morning. It is day 1.5.
Hello.
Today we are doing wedding food tasting, which I am so excited for. This is my first time getting to do a tasting actually.
Really?
I think I've actually like done the actual tasting.
Honestly, same. No, I've never done a tasting for anyone before.
I'm so stoked. So there are 4 entrees.
No, 4 hors d'oeuvres.
Okay.
No, 5. Oh my god, we have 5.
It's the way I can't even pronounce that word properly. Like every time I
5
see
appetizers.
It, yeah, every time I see it on a paper, I'm like, yeah, that.
We have 5 appetizers, 2 salads, 3 entrees, 4 desserts. We were supposed to intermittent fast, and guess who decided to eat breakfast this morning?
But then I got really hungry, so then I had a pack of goldfish, but I limited myself to just 1.
Oh, that's nothing. I thought you had like a, for some reason when you
the
said
whole
a whole box of goldfish, I thought
it was like the whole packet of goldfish.
Oh, that's nothing. Okay.
But I'm ready. I'm very ready. And I'll have to show you and give you little ratings for what we think is best. I told Tiff we should bring little papers so that we can write down our ratings.
Smart. Can you make sure these all work?
Yes. 4 of us total. It's gonna be Tiff, Matt's sister, and me. And so we're gonna rank them. How many are we supposed to choose?
4 appetizers. We're just knocking off 1.
Okay.
1 salad, 2 entrees, 3 desserts.
Oh, dang.
So
Okay,
just
so we're not
knocking
knocking off.
off
We're just literally enjoying ourselves.
Yeah,
and knocking off 1 thing off the menu. I love that.
Oh, it's only 15 minutes away. Okay, so we have a little bit of time.
Next up, we're doing dress fittings. We're back at Gallia-La-Ha. Last time I came to Gallia-La-Ha with Tiff, and this time we are back, but this time we're shopping for a reception dress, which is very exciting.
I can't wait to do this for you, although you already went to Singapore and looked at dresses
I
already.
did.
But we'll do this
I'm
for
excited
fun,
for
but you don't have to buy anything.
Okay, you're right.
Yeah.
But I love short dresses because I feel like you have legs for days. The legs should
You
be
have,
out.
no, remember, you have the good legs. Out of the 2 of us, you have the good legs.
No, I think you're crazy.
You have like the slim tone leg.
No, you also have nice legs.
No.
feel good in this one.
Was this one your favorite?
This one is my favorite.
Okay.
Yes. This one's called Elise. It's in a soft gold color, but we can.
Dress number 2.
This one feels more like reception dress. That other one was a goddess. Yeah.
Good morning. We are here, barefaced for facials. Took the Wilshire exit, which can only mean one thing. We are about to visit old stomping grounds, which we came here on our second ever friendship date.
We did.
And now it's like
made a TikTok.
We did, and we filmed a YouTube video, except my mic wasn't working, so there's no audio. But this time we're gonna go and we're gonna walk around and look at the campus. What's your favorite part of campus?
I would say Royce.
Me too.
Like the iconic.
It's just so pretty.
Yeah, it's so iconic.
Did you jump into the fountain
Bruin
when
Walk.
you graduated?
Oh yeah, I did. I actually have photos of it. Yeah.
You do?
I do.
I never went into the upside down fountain, but I just jumped into the one. Yeah. That's what
Okay,
it's called,
so-
the inverted.
So at UCLA, you're not allowed to touch the inverted fountain with any piece of your body, because if you do, it will literally add another semester to your UCLA
Every time you
education.
touch it, it's an extra quarter.
So the only time you get to touch it is when you graduate, and so it's like a tradition where you like literally go and touch it after you graduate. It's so fun.
You touch it once when you first get to UCLA, and then you're not allowed to touch it again until you graduate. Like during orientation, they make you touch it. But yeah, I never did that, so I guess I could do it now that I'm graduated. It's so fun
I
though.
stop by my sorority house and like see what it looks like.
Yes, that would be so much fun.
Hey, let me drive up Hillgard.
Yeah, I'm so down. And then Bruin Walk was so much fun. I took a picture with the Bruin like when I first started at UCLA, and then I took one when I left. I don't know, college is just like such a special time, and I have such fond memories of my time here.
I was a child. I thought I was so cool and knew the world at 21, 22.
Me too. I felt like an adult.
Yeah.
And now I feel like 21, 22 is when you feel the most like an adult, even though you're actually not.
I feel like the older you get, the more you realize you're not as wise as you are. Like I thought I was so wise at 20 and 16 and 18, and the older I get, I'm like, wow, I'm like really not there. No.
This is true. Oh my gosh, we're about to visit Tiff's sorority house. I wonder if there's people here.
What are they gonna say? No.
I mean, you can ask. I don't know if anyone's here.
Like normally I do Mother's Day stuff, so I wonder if they're doing a Mother's Day thing. Here, this is where one time my sisters visited me and they slept in the TV room.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they must be doing something for Mother's Day. There's like so much stuff laying around.
I've never been in a sorority house before. Really? I'm getting the college experience now delayed.
Okay. This is we have Monday night dinners in here. And during when I was VP of Finance, this is when we redid all the floors.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It's literally the same. Oh my god, they changed it.
This is cute.
What the heck? No. There used to
Was it
be,
cuter?
Like, this used to be a counter, like a island, and then there was like other mini fridges around, like underneath the counter, and then they would always have dessert because our chef would make dessert.
Oh, wait, this is so much fun. We never went to UCLA at the same time, but now I feel like we get to enjoy UCLA together, which is like even better.
Oh, these floors are new. Sorry. Wait, they have locks on their doors. That's so weird.
Yeah, this is very fancy.
No, it's weird because like girls used to just like leave their rooms open and you would go into each other's rooms.
Is this the bathroom that you used?
Yes.
Oh my god.
It's
Cute
so
little cubbies for your stuff. Our beautiful little campus.
I've gone to UCLA more times with you than anyone else.
But I still think we have the prettiest one. Not that we're biased or anything, but I do think we have one of the prettiest campuses in the world. Like Jan Staff's, Royce Hall.
But so inconveniently hilly. That's the only negative to our campus.
But you will have very nice legs, and also our on-campus housing is not on campus whatsoever.
Nope. It's far from on campus.
We are approaching the bear. The cutesy little bear.
It's so tiny.
I know. We used to like put a box over it, you know, during fight week.
Oh yeah.
With USC. For good luck on tests. Wait, I want to rub the hind leg. Where am I supposed to rub? Here?
Yeah.
Okay, for good luck. For good luck, prosperity, and financial independence. Yep. We're both saying how UCLA was the only school we ever toured before we applied to colleges.
Yeah, don't bother with any other tours. Just do the tour of the one
never
spot
like
you want to
fully
go to.
understood the
I think it's because we
idea of
manifested
tours.
it. Because we were like, there's no other school for us, just UCLA.
Good morning, besties. It is bright and early. Today I'm actually heading to UCLA again to see one of my college mentors. He is probably the single person who has changed my professional career and impacted me and has just been such a role model in my life. He's actually a doctor at UCLA, and so we are going to go see him. His son recently actually got into UCLA, which is so exciting, but I got him a little gift. I bought this from Tiff. I ordered this from Figs, but basically I got him a embroidered jacket. So I'm gonna bring this to him because the last time I got him something, it was also an embroidered jacket, and that was back when I was an undergrad, and he's still wearing it, and so I wanted to get him a new one. By the way, the messy bun is bunning today. I feel like it looks pretty good. I did it a little differently than I normally do. Oh my god, this is the building I used to do research in. It feels so weird to be back here, but honestly, it still feels kind of the same.